Hello everyone, this is Steven with the Fenix Store, and welcome back to the channel. Today we've got something truly special, something that's redefining what a flashlight can be. We're taking a deep dive into the Fenix LR36R, a flashlight that combines the raw power of both LED and LEP technologies. Alright, so like I said, we're going to be taking a look at the new LR36R from Fenix. This isn't your average torch. The Fenix LR36R gives you the best of both worlds. A super bright LED floodlight for wide area illumination and a laser precise LEP spotlight for extreme long range throw. So I've took the liberty to take it out of the box for you guys. Here is your box it'll come in, of course. It will come with a lanyard. Take it out of the package here for you guys. It will come with a nice Fenix branded lanyard for you. A spare O-ring for when you undo your flashlight, the O-ring between here and the head. It will come with a USB-A to USB-C charging cable to charge your flashlight. Your warranty card, of course, and your instruction manual. And it also comes with this extremely durable, listen to that, it's a hard, extremely durable case that this slides into. It's an excellent, excellent case. Not like some of those flimsy ones you get with all the other brands that we won't mention. Now, as always, you've got this little tag here. You can take it off because this is telling you to unscrew your flashlight and take out that protective piece of paper. There it is for that one. Just get rid of it. That O-ring that I was talking about, your spare O-ring, goes right here. I don't know if you can see it or not. It goes right here for when this one wears out. You've got a new one. That keeps the water resistance and everything else on the flashlight nice and watertight. You want to screw your flashlight back together and give it a little snug, and you're back together on that. That is what comes in your unboxing for the LR36R. So let's start with the LED side. This flashlight throws out a massive wall of light. We're talking high lumens, a max of 10,000 lumens in fact, with excellent color rendering and a super smooth beam. This thing is perfect for hiking, camping, search and rescue, or any situation where you need to light up a large space. Now the LEP. LEP stands for Laser Excited Phosphor, and it's a game changer in the flashlight industry. The LEP technology allows this flashlight to achieve distances that traditional LEDs simply cannot touch. The LEP module emits a highly focused beam, giving you extreme throw capability. Let's see, it's like having a laser beam of white light. The max output is 350 lumens for the LEP. But the Fenix LR36R is more than just raw power. This thing is packed with features. It has an extremely durable build. It's constructed out of aircraft-grade aluminum, built to withstand tough conditions. It's rechargeable. As I showed you, you come with the USB-C cable. To recharge it, the little cover on the back here, put your cable in there, and that's how you recharge your flashlight. Long run times. The high capacity batteries that come in this flashlight are for extended use. The user interface this has an intuitive control and a single switch for the LED and the LEP functions together. So no monkeying with a back switch, a side switch, another switch. This one switch right here controls them both. It also has an OLED display. It will show you critical information like battery level, the current lumen output, and remaining runtime. To check out your OLED display, you can press the button one time and it will show you your current battery status. Or when you turn the flashlight on, simply rotate this outside wheel. That's how you turn it on. It will tell you your lumen output, your remaining runtime, and your battery level. So this one is fully charged. And to make your flashlight brighter, simply turn your wheel clockwise and it gets super bright. To change from the LED to the LEP, press your center button and it will go to your LEP. As you can see, it's got an extremely focused, tight throwing beam on it. Or if you wanted both at the same time, press the middle button one more time again, and now you have the LEP as well as your LED. So that's really cool. You can have both at the same time if you'd like. To turn it off, simply rotate your dial, your wheel, counterclockwise, and it's off. Simple as that. This has multiple modes, various brightness levels, plus strobe and SOS. I will put on the screen here the specs if you want to go ahead and pause it real quick. Let's see, and you can take a look at your lumen settings for your floodlight mode, your LEP mode, and your floodlight and LEP together. There will be your specs on all of them. That's going to do it for this unboxing of the Fenix LR36R. Now, this flashlight is a true multi-tool. Whether you're a professional who needs reliable, high-performance lighting, an outdoor enthusiast who demands the best, the LR36R from Fenix will deliver. So, what do you guys think of the Fenix LR36R? Is this the ultimate flashlight? Let me know in the comments below. If you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button for us. And as always, hit that notification bell for more awesome flashlight videos from the Fenix store. We'll see you next time, guys. Check you on the next one. Stay safe. Take care. Bye-bye.